Growing heirloom vegetables. Tips for preserving history in your garden. Welcome back to Garden Bound. Today, we're delving into the world of heirloom vegetables, treasured varieties that connect us to our agricultural roots. Heirloom vegetables are not just ordinary plants, they are living legacies passed down through generations, each with unique flavors, vibrant colors, and a history that often spans decades or even centuries. In this video, we will explore the benefits of growing these exceptional vegetables and offer practical tips for their successful cultivation. Let's get started. What are heirloom vegetables? Heirloom vegetables are non-hybrid, open-pollinated plant varieties cherished for their rich flavors, diverse colors, and historical significance. Unlike hybrids, which are cross-pollinated to combine specific traits from different parent plants, heirlooms are pollinated naturally, by wind, insects, or birds. This natural pollination allows heirlooms to retain their unique characteristics and produce seeds that can be saved and replanted year after year, ensuring the continuation of these treasured varieties. Unlike genetically modified organisms, GMOs, which are altered in labs for traits like pest resistance or enhanced nutrition, heirlooms are preserved for their genetic purity and connection to traditional farming practices. Many heirloom varieties have been cultivated for over 50 years, with some tracing their lineage back centuries. These plants are celebrated not only for their taste and appearance, but also for their cultural and regional heritage. Heirlooms represent a time when seeds were shared within communities and adapted over generations to local growing conditions and preferences. Benefits of growing heirloom vegetables. One of the primary reasons to grow heirloom vegetables is their exceptional flavor. Unlike commercial hybrids, which are often bred for uniformity and shelf life, heirlooms are selected for their taste. Varieties like the Cherokee Purple or Brandywine tomatoes are renowned for their sweet, complex flavors that far surpass the blandness of many supermarket tomatoes. Additionally, heirloom vegetables come in a stunning array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the deep purple dragon carrots to the striped Chioggia beets, heirlooms bring visual delight and diversity to gardens and meals. Heirlooms are often more nutrient-rich compared to their hybrid counterparts. Studies have shown that heirloom varieties maintain higher levels of vitamins and antioxidants because they are less processed and remain closer to their natural state. For instance, dark-colored heirloom tomatoes frequently have higher concentrations of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant associated with various health benefits. This emphasis on quality over yield ensures that heirloom produce contributes significantly to a healthy diet. Cultivating heirloom vegetables plays a crucial role in preserving genetic diversity, which is vital for the resilience of our food systems. In a world dominated by industrial agriculture and monocultures, heirlooms offer a genetic repository that can help combat threats such as diseases, pests, and climate change. Each heirloom variety possesses unique traits that could be essential for future breeding and adaptation efforts. By growing and saving heirloom seeds, gardeners contribute to the conservation of these invaluable genetic resources for future generations. Heirlooms support sustainable agricultural practices. Often more resilient and better adapted to local conditions, they typically require fewer chemical inputs like pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. This reduces the environmental impact of growing these crops and promotes healthier, more sustainable gardens and farms. Additionally, heirlooms encourage organic gardening and traditional farming methods that maintain ecological balance and foster healthy soil and plant communities. Tips for growing heirloom vegetables. The first step in growing heirloom vegetables is choosing the right seeds. Look for reputable seed companies and seed-saving organizations like Seed Savers Exchange, Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and Southern Exposure Seed Exchange, which specialize in preserving high-quality heirloom varieties. Local seed swaps and garden clubs can also be valuable resources for acquiring seeds that are well-suited to your local growing conditions. Heirlooms thrive in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Prepare your soil by adding organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to enhance its fertility and structure. Conduct a soil test to check pH and nutrient levels, adjusting as necessary to create optimal growing conditions. Plan your garden layout to include crop rotation, which helps maintain soil health and reduces pest and disease pressures by not planting the same crop in the same spot consecutively. Timing and technique are key when planting heirloom vegetables. Start seeds indoors if you live in a region with a short growing season, or direct sow them outdoors once the risk of frost has passed. Follow the specific planting instructions for each variety, paying close attention to spacing and soil depth. Larger seeds like beans and squash should be planted deeper than smaller seeds like lettuce and carrots. Keep the soil consistently moist until plants are established and water deeply during dry periods. Heirloom vegetables may be more vulnerable to certain pests and diseases, so proactive management is essential. Use organic methods to protect your crops, such as attracting beneficial insects, using row covers, and practicing companion planting. For instance, planting marigolds near tomatoes can deter nematodes, and basil interplanted with peppers can reduce aphid infestations. Regularly inspect your plants and take prompt action to address any issues using organic treatments like neem oil if necessary. Heirlooms are best harvested at their peak ripeness for maximum flavor and nutritional value. For example, tomatoes should be picked when fully colored and slightly soft, while beans are best when young and tender. One of the joys of growing heirlooms is saving seeds for future planting. Allow some of your healthiest plants to mature and produce seeds. For fruits like tomatoes and cucumbers, scoop out the seeds and ferment them to remove the gelatinous coating. Dry the seeds thoroughly and store them in a cool, dry place. Saving seeds perpetuates the cycle of heirloom gardening and helps develop varieties well suited to your local conditions. Lastly, let's go over some common heirloom vegetables and varieties. Tomatoes, Cherokee, purple. Known for its rich, sweet flavor and deep purplish red color, this tomato is a favorite for its complex taste and attractive appearance. It is believed to have been cultivated by the Cherokee tribe. Brandywine. Famous for its large beefsteak size and intense tomato flavor, Brandywine tomatoes are a popular choice among heirloom enthusiasts. They come in several color varieties, including pink, red, and yellow. Carrots, dragon carrot. With its deep purple skin and bright orange core, dragon carrots are not only visually stunning, but also packed with antioxidants. They have a sweet, spicy flavor that's great for fresh eating and cooking. Paris Market. These small, round carrots are perfect for shallow or rocky soils. They have a sweet, crunchy texture and are ideal for snacks and salads. Beans, Royal Burgundy. A striking purple pod that turns green when cooked. Royal Burgundy beans are tender and flavorful. They are also more resistant to cooler temperatures, making them great for early planting. Scarlet Runner. Known for their bright red flowers and vigorous vines, these beans produce large green pods and are often grown both for their beauty and their edible beans. Squash of patty pan squash. This summer squash variety comes in bright yellow, white, or green. Its unique scalloped shape and buttery, tender flesh make it a delightful addition to any garden. Hubbard squash. With its hard, bumpy skin and sweet orange flesh, Hubbard squash is a winter squash variety that stores well and is perfect for pies and soups. Peppers. Jimmy Nardello's sweet Italian frying pepper. Named after the gardener who brought this variety from Italy to the US, these peppers are sweet and ideal for frying. They turn a deep red when ripe and have a distinctive, rich flavor. Hungarian wax pepper. This pepper can be harvested while still yellow or allowed to ripen to a bright red. It offers a mild to moderately hot flavor and is commonly used in pickling and cooking. Lettuce. Butterhead lettuce. Known for its soft, buttery leaves and mild flavor, Butterhead lettuce is a staple in heirloom gardens. Varieties like Tom Thumb and Bib are particularly popular. Speckled trout. This lettuce has attractive green leaves speckled with maroon, providing a striking appearance and a tender, slightly sweet taste. Of course, there are hundreds of heirloom vegetables to choose from. We'd love to hear your favorites in the comments. Thank you for exploring the world of heirloom vegetables with us. These varieties offer more than just superior flavor and vibrant colors. They connect us to our agricultural heritage and support sustainable gardening practices. By incorporating heirlooms into your garden, you contribute to preserving biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Whether you are new to gardening or an experienced grower, cultivating heirloom vegetables is a rewarding journey that enriches your garden and table alike. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace heirloom gardening. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more gardening insights from Garden Bound. Happy gardening!